Nice. I like it. Welcome, everybody. Paul here, Music Villa. We're in Bozeman, Montana. Today I've got some exciting things going on. I have my friend Tyler here. We call him Shreddy T. And if you order a guitar from us, most likely he packs it and ships it. And we've got Shreddy here today because Quinton just had a shoulder surgery. So he's kind of out for a couple of weeks now. So I'm going to borrow Tyler here today, and we're going to look at a new Taylor acoustic guitar amp. Pretty dang cool. It's called a Circa 74, and I just realized it's because they've been in business since 1974.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah.
Rad.
So this will be their 50th anniversary. So I would imagine you're going to see a lot of cool 50th anniversary guitars as well. This is super cool though. 10-inch speaker. It's just a straight up acoustic amp. But it's nice. It looks nice, sounds nice. We're using a Taylor right now. It's a AD12 E for electronics. And you know, I think in the past they did an amp where they had a circuit kind of for their pickup. This is not that. This is for any pickup, any amp, or any guitar you can plug into this, and it sounds really darn good. We're using the Taylor today, but you can certainly
anything with a pickup will,
we're good. We plugged in a few other ones too. Cool look though. I mean, look at this. It's kind of got this vintage look to it. Comes with the stand as well. This is a solid mahogany cabinet and the stand. I mean, it's just super cool.
And the stand just screws in. It's super easy to put together.
Yeah, right out of the box. You just
like 1 minute, like setup time. Yeah.
It's cool. Very classy. You can use it live. You could use it in your home, really. I mean, it just looks beautiful, and it would just look great in the living room. Your wife will even like it, or your husband, either, you know. So check this out. Nice leather handle. But each channel, so there's a mic channel and a guitar channel. Each channel, same thing. You got bass, mid, treble, volume, and reverb. I mean, pretty simple. So we're into the channel 2 right now. Play something else again. Just play a little anything. I was just messing with the mid-range. There's the treble, bass. Nice. Wow. It's really cool. I got to tell you, straight in, simple. That's what you kind of want. A lot of times you get into certain amps with a lot of knobs, and it, you know, the more knobs I find people have more,
yeah, this
more
thing's
trouble.
super simple.
Yeah.
I don't really play acoustic guitar at all, or mess with the amps. These things, it's easy to use. Again, you have 3-band EQ.
Yep.
You get the volume. It's also
And
got
reverb.
the I/O on the back, so we're going XLR out to the back to our mixing board, and it does XLR and I believe TRS, or balanced.
Yep.
1/4 inch.
Yeah, and Bluetooth.
Yeah, it's Bluetooth,
So-
which is super awesome. There's also headphones, aux in.
Yeah.
So either or, you can push
Yeah,
it.
you can plug your phone in or just Bluetooth
You got
it.
the old phone, or new phone, Bluetooth, yeah.
I was just playing music through it a minute ago. It sounds great. So if you go on break and you're doing a live gig, and then you just play your Bluetooth, play your phone through it and play some tunes. What else? What are we forgetting? Anything?
Yeah, I don't know.
It's just that simple, and it
sounds great. It
actually-
really does. That's like the
Yeah.
big thing. As soon as I played a chord through it, when I plugged it in, it was...
And that would make a big difference if it didn't sound good, because
Yeah.
I love the way it looks, you know? So this thing looks amazing, and luckily for Taylor, it sounds good too.
Yeah.
You know, and it just says Circa 74. It doesn't even say Taylor on it, but I think on the back it'll say Taylor on it. I
Doesn't say
believe
that on there or anything.
Bob Taylor is the one who is behind this. I think this is his baby, maybe his love and
Yeah.
his design. It's cool. It's cool. I gotta say, I like it a lot.
Right.
Circa 74. It's a new. It's a 10-inch speaker, by the way, 150 watts. I don't know if I mentioned that, but 2-channel amp plus a 3rd channel for your Bluetooth, and that's it. Shreddy T, thanks for being here.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having me on.
Yeah, you're always welcome on. And anytime Quinton has surgery,
Yeah.
we'll bring you down.
Yeah, I'll have to get him in the knee.
Yeah.
He could probably still play if I hit him in the
But
knee.
we appreciate it, and thanks everyone for watching.